Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link to join that is up here in the corner. So on the DXY monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this right here is the end of an ABC correction. If this is the end of an ABC correction, then price will end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually taking out this low because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction, whether you're talking about the monthly, the 1 minute, or anything in between. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame and switch back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index is where you can actually start to see the lower lows, lower highs, probably making up what I think is a wave 1. Now this definitely could form an ABC right here, which would be like a 2, and then eventually go down and make a wave 3, which would be a completely normal looking pattern if that is what it decides to do. But looking at the sort of time phase, it kind of looks like that right there has already ended a correction, and that this move up is going to be a correction to this last move down, and that the price is just going to keep on trending down, all part of a wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, the fact that price has not broken structure tells me the trend is still down. Also, the fact that this right here is a trend, that is definitely not a correction. That's the shape of a trend. Makes me think that this move up right here is a correction to this move down, and that price will just keep on going down. Like I said on the higher time frames, this could turn into a big ABC correction, and if price takes out structure, then I'll definitely be going with the flow and start looking for longs to trade this wave C. But since price has not taken out any structure yet, I'm definitely going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we had price go all the way up to this structure level that I've been waiting for price to break, make a nice spike all the way up there, and then turn down, nice big impulsive move down. So it never did take out any structure to the downside, so really the trend is not really confirmed to be up or down. Right now I do think that this move up is possibly a correction to this move down, so on the shorter time frames I am looking to see if it makes a sorting opportunity for the continuation of this downtrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci measuring this last move down. If this move up right here is going to be a correction, then it probably will bounce off one of these fibs with a big impulsive engulfing candle. If that never happens and instead it just keeps making higher highs, higher lows, and eventually takes out this structure right here, then I'll know on the higher time frames that that trend is over and I'll start looking for longs. But until that happens, I'm looking at this move up as being possibly a correction to this move down, and I'm looking at the Fibonacci levels for likely areas for this to actually turn down and continue the downtrend, which is going to make a really good trading opportunity on some of these dollar pairs if it does. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.